Dear friends, today is the fourth day of our Europe tour. Today we are visiting Budapest, the capital of Hungary. This journey takes us through some of Central Europe's most picturesque landscapes. From the grand imperial sights of Vienna to the stunning Danube views in Budapest, this trip offers something for every traveler. The distance between the two cities is about 240 kilometers. It will take around 3 hours to reach Budapest. As we leave the elegant streets of Vienna behind, watch how the bustling city gradually gives way to serene countryside views, with rolling hills and charming villages dotting the route. After 3 hours, we arrived in Budapest. This stunning capital of Hungary, often called the Jewel of the Danube, is known for its rich history, majestic architecture, and vibrant cultural scene. Budapest is a must-visit destination for any traveler exploring Central Europe. The city is divided by the Danube River into two main parts, Buda and Pest, each offering unique experiences. We parked our car in Pest and explored Buda region first. Buda, on the western bank, is the historic heart of the city, filled with medieval charm, cobblestone streets, and rolling hills. First, we arrived in Fisherman's Bastion. It is a neo-Gothic and neo-Romanesque monument that offers breathtaking panoramic views over the city, including the majestic Danube River, the stunning Hungarian Parliament building, and the vibrant streets of Pest. Built between 1895 and 1902, the structure was designed to celebrate the 1000th anniversary of the Hungarian state and serves as a tribute to the fishermen who defended this stretch of the city walls during the Middle Ages. The bastion is renowned for its 7 spired towers, which represent the 7 Magyar tribes that settled in the Carpathian Basin in 895 AD, marking the birth of Hungary. The statue of King Stephen I, Hungary's first king, and the founder of the Hungarian state, located in the middle of the Bastion square. It's an important symbol of Hungary's rich history and cultural heritage. The Church of Our Lady of Buda Castle, or the Matthias Church, is located right next to the Fisherman's Bastion. The church has stood for over 700 years, with its origins dating back to the 11th century when the first church was built on this site. However, it wasn't until the 14th century, under the reign of King Matthias Corvinus, that the church was given its current Gothic form and later took on the name of the beloved king. Then we walked to the Buda Castle. The walk from Fisherman's Bastion to Buda Castle is roughly 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how often you stop to enjoy the sights. The path was easy to follow, and we walked along cobbled streets that have retained their medieval charm. Along the way, we passed small squares, artisan shops, and well-preserved medieval walls. Before entering the Buda Castle, we stopped at the Sandor Palace to watch the changing of the guard ceremony. This traditional military ceremony is a must-see for visitors, offering a sense of pageantry and pride in Hungary's history. The palace was built in the early 19th century for Count Vince Sandor, a nobleman and statesman who wanted a prestigious home in the Buda Castle area. The palace later became the residence of several high-ranking Hungarian officials and aristocrats. By 2003, it officially became the office of the President of Hungary. Then we entered the Buda Castle area. It is one of Budapest's most iconic and historically significant landmarks. Perched high on Castle Hill, overlooking the Danube River, this impressive royal palace has witnessed centuries of Hungary's rich history, from medieval times to the modern day. Today, Buda Castle stands as a symbol of Hungarian resilience, cultural heritage, and architectural splendor. The origins of Buda Castle date back to the 13th century, when it was first constructed to defend against Mongol invasions. Over the centuries, it evolved into a lavish royal residence. The castle has seen countless transformations and reconstructions, enduring invasions by the Ottomans, battles during the Austro-Hungarian Empire, and heavy damage during World War II. It is now home to some of Budapest's most prestigious cultural institutions, including the Hungarian National Gallery and the Budapest History Museum. One of the most unforgettable features of Buda Castle is the panoramic view it offers over Budapest. One of the most scenic ways to reach Buda Castle is via the Budavári Sikló, the funicular that connects the chain bridge with the castle. This short ride offers beautiful views of the city as you ascend Castle Hill. For a more immersive experience, you can take a leisurely walk up the hill through the winding cobblestone streets of the Castle District. Then we stepped into the iconic chain bridge to cross the Danube River and to move to the Pest district. The chain bridge was the first permanent stone bridge built across the Danube in Hungary. Its construction began in 1839 and was completed in 1849. The bridge's opening was celebrated as a significant milestone in Hungarian history, symbolizing national unity and progress. It was a marvel of engineering for its time, featuring impressive stone arches and decorative lion statues guarding each end. The bridge stretches approximately 375 meters and is 14 meters wide. After walking around 450 meters along the Danube riverbank, we arrived at the Shoes on the Danube Bank Memorial. It was designed to honor the memory of the Jews who were killed by Arrow Cross militiamen along the banks of the Danube during the final months of World War II. During this time, many Jewish men, women, and children were forced to remove their shoes before being shot at the riverbank, their bodies falling into the water. We continued to walk around another 400 meters ahead to see the Hungarian Parliament building. Standing majestically on the banks of the Danube River, the Hungarian Parliament building is one of the most iconic landmarks in Budapest and a symbol of Hungary's national identity. This architectural marvel is not only a testament to the country's rich history, but also a stunning example of Gothic revival architecture. Construction of the Hungarian Parliament building began in 1885 and was completed in 1904. The Hungarian Parliament building is one of the largest parliamentary buildings in the world and boasts an impressive 268 meters in length and 123 meters in height. The Parliament Garden surrounds the Parliament building and is part of the larger Kossuth Lajos Square. The garden features a harmonious blend of natural beauty and urban design, providing a tranquil escape from the bustling city. Throughout the park, you'll find several statues and monuments commemorating important figures in Hungarian history. At the Kossuth Lajos Square, we got into the tram and then to the underground metro to go to the Heroes Square. Heroes Square was constructed in 1896 to commemorate the millennium of Hungary's conquest of the Carpathian Basin. The square was designed as part of the celebrations marking the 1000th anniversary of the arrival of the Magyars in the region. At the heart of Heroes Square stands the Millennium Monument, an impressive column adorned with a statue of the Archangel Gabriel atop a 36-meter-high pedestal. The Archangel holds the Holy Crown and the Double Cross, symbolizing Hungary's Christian heritage. Unfortunately, the monument was under repair. Then we returned to the St. Stephen's Basilica area. Construction of the basilica began in 1851 and was completed in 1905, although it faced several interruptions due to political and financial challenges, including the Austro-Hungarian Compromise. The area surrounding St. Stephen's Basilica is one of Budapest's most vibrant and lively neighborhoods, filled with cultural attractions, dining options, shopping, and beautiful architecture. This bustling district is a perfect blend of historical charm and modern convenience, making it a must-visit for anyone exploring Budapest. The area also boasts a wide variety of dining options, from traditional Hungarian cuisine to international fare. You can also try the rose ice cream like we did. So, dear friends, as our journey through the enchanting city of Budapest comes to a close, it's time to reflect on the unforgettable experiences, rich history, and vibrant culture that have filled our day. Saying goodbye in Budapest is an opportunity to reflect on the incredible experiences we've had. Until we meet again in Beauty of the World, safe travels and may your future adventures be just as memorable.